Animals in the wild have their own appeal. Their raw power and survival instincts are awe-inspiring and scary at the same time. We have always been curious to know who wins in a face-off. That propelled us to make today's video on 10 unbelievable animal fights caught on camera. Before we get on with the list, a word of caution. Some of these videos may be disturbing. Number 1. Croc vs. Lion. Meet the crocodile, one of the most powerful jaws in the world. Fighting with a crocodile is no joke. On the other hand, we have the king of the jungle, super strong. Who wins in a face-off between these two? But honestly, I wonder why would these two get into a fight? Obviously for food, duh. And the food here was a massive dead elephant. The lion was in the crocodile's territory, but things changed as two more lions attacked the crocodile. In spite of a good fight, the croc did not stand a chance, and the lions claimed the dead elephant. Number 2. Snake vs. Rabbit. In an unlikely match between the rabbit and a snake, who do you think is more dangerous and powerful? The snake. This one here was trying to sneak up on the rabbit's kittens. But never underestimate the power of a mother trying to protect her babies. Watch this rabbit attack the snake and eventually drive it away. Number 3. Eagle vs. Fox. A rather large eagle was on the lookout for prey. Pretty soon he made a kill and began enjoying his meal. At the very same time, a red fox was looking for something to eat too, and he thought he could take the easy route and decided to snatch the eagle's meal. But that did not go well with the eagle. A fight ensued. The eagle literally had the upper hand with some deadly claws that dug into the fox's soft fur. The fox had no choice but to flee the scene. Number 4. Shark vs. Octopus. I'm sure you are thinking, poor octopus. But these animals are much more dangerous than we give them credit for. Take a look at this fight between the shark and the octopus. I never thought I would say this, but poor shark. Moray eels are one of the predominant carnivorous predators in the sea that feed on smaller fish and even octopus. This one found its prey hidden under the seabed. The little blowfish refused to budge and offered as much resistance as it could. Even when the eel had it in its jaws and everything seemed to be going the eel's way, the resistance offered by the blowfish helped it to escape. Number 6. Buffalo vs. Rhino. Both these animals are equally equipped with sharp horns that can prove to be deadly. But in this particular fight, the rhino made the first move and took the buffalo by the horns. After several minutes of charging down the buffalo, the rhino let go and the buffalo took off for greener pastures. Number 7. Kangaroo versus kangaroo. Sometimes the greatest opponents are those from the same species. Check out these two kangaroos. Doesn't this remind you of a slapping fight between Monica and Rachel in Friends? But whoa, those kangaroos are mighty strong and I'm sure that really hurt. Before we move on to the next, here is a special mention of a similar and incredible fight caught on camera. This one is between two hares, and doesn't that actually look cute? Number 8. Elephant versus rhino. In another unique battle, a rhino takes on an elephant. Any animal should think twice before taking on an animal more than twice its size. While we Indians love elephants and consider them docile, that is not the case. Wild elephants can trample you to death. Their strength lies in their size and weight. And this strong rhino knew that he had picked the wrong opponent and made an early exit. Number 10, last but not the least, lion versus tiger. Have you wondered who would win a fight between the tiger and a lion? Well, we have always been curious to know, and then we came across this video. It was one deadly fight. The tiger attacked the lion and the lion gave it back. What ensued was a battle of power, strength and agility. Both animals were at their ferocious best and did everything to take down each other. Finally, the two tired out and the lion walked away. We will be back soon with more interesting videos, and to make sure you don't miss them, subscribe to Simply Curious and press the bell icon for instant notifications of our latest uploads.